Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transform still image into cinematic motion graphic in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on new project, and then you can add image to your project. For example, I'm going to use this image guys. I'm going to add this image to my project, and I'm going to transform this image into a cinematic motion graphic. Okay, and wait, I'm going to remove the CapCut ending. Alright, and then we're going to go to the overlay menu and then add overlay, and I'm going to add cinematic sky video to this project. You can get the cinematic sky from the internet. Just go to your browser and then search for cinematic sky. Wait, my cinematic sky is here in this album. Okay, I'm going to add this cinematic sky to my project. Okay, I'm going to replace the sky in this image with the cinematic sky. Alright, and then I'm going to extend the duration of the image according to the duration of the video. Oops. Okay, I'm going to make it align with my video. And then we're going to blend the cinematic sky with the image. We can click on the video like this, and then we're going to apply mask. Go to the mask menu. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find mask, and then you can select the horizontal mask, and then you're going to blend it like this. Okay, and then to make it more natural, you can go to the splice menu or blend menu. Wait, this one, and then you can choose the best blending mode for the video. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with, wait guys, I think I'm gonna go with this one. It looks cinematic. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, and once you're ready to save it, you can click on export and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to transform still image into a cinematic motion graphic on CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.